Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble rings underwater with your hands. First, find a calm body of water like a swimming pool or a clear lake that is at least 6 feet deep. Take a deep breath and dive down to a comfortable depth, perhaps 3 or 4 feet below the surface. Once submerged, orient your body horizontally, facing directly upwards towards the surface. This initial setup is crucial for success. Next, focus on your mouth. You need to form a very precise O shape, similar to how you would whistle. Keep your lips firm and slightly puckered, creating a small, tight opening. This small aperture is essential for concentrating the air. Practice this shape a few times before attempting to release any air. The goal is to prevent any air from escaping until the exact moment you are ready. Now for the release. With your mouth in the O shape, gently push a small, controlled amount of air from your mouth. As you do this, simultaneously flick your chin forward with a quick, sharp motion. Think of it as a small cough or a quick pop of air. You can also use your tongue to help push the air out in a concentrated burst. This combination of air release and chin movement is key to forming the ring. To refine your technique, start by releasing very small, controlled bursts of air. Don't try to make a huge ring immediately. Experiment with the speed and force of your chin flick. A quicker flick often works best. Consistency is vital, so keep practicing. You'll notice that with each attempt, your bubble rings will become more defined and travel further. Enjoy the process of mastering this fun underwater trick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.